Today, what we're going to be talking about is Nana McBrown's dress to the VGMA on May 6th. So the VGMA is Vodafone's Ghana Music Awards. It's an award that celebrates the achievements of Ghanaian musicians, from gospel music to mainstream music to rap music, reggae music, dancehall, you name it, and Afrobeat, everything. And as we all saw, it was amazing. The red carpet was smashing. It was flying. People were slaying left, front, right, and center. Hey, yes, that day was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening for our stars to glam and showcase, their badunk what they have in their closet for us to also see. Kudos to Black Sherry for winning the Artist of the Year 2020, I believe 3. Yes, I mean Kanongo Zongo. Black Sheriff is a success story. A young man who has risen from grass to grace, right? And he has done that, and still the humility that surrounds him. Sometimes I stare at him in a state of awe, and I say, yes, you are a dream. You are a dream chaser, and you are a motivator for all young ones who are coming, who wants to follow your footsteps. So kudos to Black Sheriff. I also admire PCA Esther from where she has come from up until now. Why am why? Now PCA Esther, then you know resonate with all of us. And he said every single time when I'm cooking, that's the song that I go to. My kids are like, "Mommy, are you listening to that again?" I'm like, yes, this may be like my 1,000th time of listening to that song. The video is amazing. She won the Best Gospel Artist of the Year. Congratulations to PSA for your long-term dedication to Ghana gospel music and never giving up as well. So Nana McBrown came on the stage, on the platform, right? On the red carpet, and Lady Gaga wore the same Lady Gaga wore. So Nana is wearing a replica of what Lady Gaga wore. But as far as I'm concerned, Lady Gaga wore that atade because she saw Gigi Hadid wearing that on the runway during Versace's 2023 fashion show. That's what you say. And no kotobi, and no blinking up with the rocks and the accessories from wherever the accessory company. Oh, look good, nice. Lady Gaga is Lady Gaga. Oh, look nice. Oh, look, the body didn't look nice. The crowd, the aura around her makes her look nice in that attire. Now, McBrown and so ayan fe on also kwakoshibi. When Cardi B wore Gadav Gupta the blue a sculptural dress how many people have worn that attire? Have we criticized them? Nana McBrown akoshe Lady Gaga attire Lady Gaga so no runway Versace attire. I don't think Versace attire to inspire only one person for Lady Gaga pay. Or to sell. And if you cannot go and purchase that attire for maybe 50,000, when you wait me a pump the exact or similar amawa, I don't see anything wrong with it. Ghana for some because Nana attire and fatano. Hey, attire may be on fatano. Hey, everybody just say, you say obi tawa was sia or siawa sakrana or sa na wachiani baby. Atadie pa one way photo here wahi. Atadie pa what person catch me say Nana wan shatadie ni ye. Trust Nana McBrown has found herself in a bit of predicament regarding her appearance at the 2023 Vodafone Ghana Music Award. McBrown arrived at the event donning a striking green and black full-body ensemble, which has sparked a conversation among netizens. Nanyeme, upon further investigation, it was discovered that her look bore a striking resemblance to an outfit previously worn by Lady Gaga. And so what? The revelation led to criticism and accusations that McBrown had copied Gaga's style. McBrown a copy Versace style and I say Gaga style. Hey, erratic crazy. Nana yedeng. She said, "Na ayedeng." Nana looks gorgeous and stunning. People also found her makeup to find a way to criticize her makeup. Hey, kise eni papa eni mudeng. Hey, etwa kakra girl ko yeye. Enu fo kakra ko yeye. Sa na mode manu go yesu if any say this girl moyisha so sa na enese da mo se den na se ebo no nyame kra mpengu ye twam wo yesu din mu so what you say e na mode manu so besi na McBrown I hope say we bu nu egu na so. Hey, this makeup and this attire, you guys still found a way to criticize wrongly about this attire. No, back is another post to cry me one back cry me ya cry ni die. Opeso ka say na Nama McBrown did not look good as much as compared to Lady Gaga. Are you ridiculous? And which photo we have? Nama McBrown doesn't look good in this photo. Yay! If you are supposed to carry no me say hey, will be time what we see or sawa sakra no achi baby o. Obe chia or santantan time. Or frog hey bra ni tibi. Wo bua amoyanti. You had Nana McBrown. Ghana had Nana McBrown's makeup and wants him to come. You have I feel quite another post to cry video not one motion. It's Nana McBrown cry coin wa high. Then someone must say sometimes makeup no can true and only the days I got say check a cry. A tribute not where when you cry titties you were high while boo a day because he who said you can wear no real baby. Oh Ghana war. Oh, you too much. And then people started a question be about I think one of the ex-boyfriend say BB would you rather call your ex-boyfriend to come and help you? I mean the nerve of this person. How can you ask a married woman such a question? Say BB Hiana or friend why the ex-boyfriend no me rescue no. Why? Because on na yeduma pain. And I saw nugusi yeduma. And I said then na ni kun wo hon mo yeden. Anyway, ebusia. Bidmanwesi. As you can see, it's all about celebrity news and celebrity gossip and hot topics. So, if you have anyone in mind and you want me to talk about, please drop me a hint. Leave me a hint in my inbox or in the comments below. And I will do my very best to bring you updates on that as well. And if you have a favorite star that you want me to actually feature or talk about on this show, likewise, bring them. Thank you so much. Gatsbygh G8 signing out.